Deirdre Bosia is at the RSAC conference in San Francisco with Databricks CEO Ali Ghodsi. Deirdre?
Kelly, thank you very much. And Ali, thank you so much for being here with
My
us
pleasure.
right off your keynote. I look around, we've got Splunk, CrowdStrike, Palo Alto on the floor of RSAC this year. You are now entering the cybersecurity market. They have decades of expertise, thousands of people who specialize in cybersecurity. Why do you think that Databricks can take them on?
Yeah, I think there's a big secular shift happening now. And I really think AI is going to kill the SIM this year. I think this is the year AI kills the SIM, the security.
What's a SIM?
A SIM is a security information event management system that does all of your detections in your organization. It detects if something is wrong, if something is suspicious, and all of that. This is the year where it's going to be disrupted. These old legacy systems are very expensive. Getting data into them is super hard. People are not even looking at all the data. And then on top of it, lots of manual labor. Security teams are waking up every day and they're having thousands of alerts and just can't go through them. And then on the other side, the attackers are getting more and more sophisticated and just using agents to attack these systems, no longer even humans. So 2-3 years ago, it would take something like, 3-4 months from the time a vulnerability was found until someone exploited it. That is now down to 1 day. So it's not even humans anymore attacking these systems. So we need a new approach, and the new approach is open. So all your data in an open lakehouse, and then unleash all the agents, open agents that you compose on top of that, so that we're fighting agents with agents instead of fighting agents with humans.
And critically, something you have that they don't necessarily have is the data already. You have the data lakes, which is why I believe you're able to make this more cheaper, right? Lower costs. You say you're going to cut it by some 80%. What happens to these legacy players who you're also partnering with?
Yeah. Well, I think that, they will adapt. Everyone will adapt to the new model. I think the SIM goes away. I think this security lakehouse, this open security lakehouse becomes the next way in which you actually defend. And we also launched an ecosystem for that reason. We call it the Open Security Lakehouse ecosystem. And we have many partners as part of that. But I think this is going to be the way of the future. If we don't do it this way, I think many organizations will actually crumble because there's so much attacks coming.
So it feels like cybersecurity is just the beginning, considering how much data you're sitting on, and you said yourself that you are going to be part of the software disruption. What does that mean? What's next?
Well, what do you need for this new era, this agentic era? Well, you need a platform where you can build agents. Databricks has that. You still need a database for system of record. We have that as well. That's Lakebase that we launched. That's our transactional database that we launched last year. And then you need a data platform where you can have all of your data. So we have the 3 ingredients that you need essentially for any SaaS application. So, for us, those SaaS applications that make sense, and we're starting here with SIM, we want to build them and we want to go for it. Yes, this disruption will happen, and I think we will be part of that as well. We will partake in it.
So what do you tell? You have tens of thousands of customers. You have lots of software customers as well. How do you make this not threatening for them? How do you convince them to stay on your platform, keep giving you their data when you could turn around and compete with them?
I think that this disruption is going to happen anyway. It's like, there's no way we can stop time or stop this from happening. It's just bound to happen. We're going to have agentic software. That's the new interface. We're going to have databases that are built for agents. That's what we call it Lakebase at Databricks. And you need a data platform. Data is the most important. And by the way, you need governance in the middle that actually secures all of that. Because otherwise, you can't just let your agents loose and they're accessing salary data and sensitive data and exploiting stuff. So you need good governance as well. This is going to happen anyway. So I think the world will adapt to this new world. If we don't do it, others will do it.
Right.
We will try to be as partner-friendly and do it in an open way and work with our partners as much as we can.
But it's going to happen anyways, as you said. Last time we spoke, I think it was about a month, maybe 6 weeks ago, you had just raised $7 billion. I asked you why. You said that some of your investors, and yourself included, were feeling a little bit nervous. You were seeing some bubbly behavior in the AI trade. How do you feel now, and how does that make you think about an eventual IPO?
Well, I feel really good. I think our timing was perfect. We raised money exactly just before, this meltdown is happening. Now, we thought, frankly speaking, that the meltdown would be on the AI side, but it's now instead that anything the AI companies do, just decimates anything in software. Actually, frankly, anything in tech, it seems. But
when you say meltdown, what are you referring to?
Well, I'm saying look at the stock market. Just down so much. And you might say, who cares about stock prices? Software, anything in technology is down, right? And what does that mean? Well, it means that those companies, their employees are getting paid less. And by the way, there's this pressure now that SBC needs to be reduced, stock-based compensation. Well, so then that makes it really hard for all of these companies, and they have to start cutting in order to get more efficient. So it's a perfect time to be private. I think.
Couldn't it be a perfect time to go public if you're showing the opposite? I know that you guys are already free cash flow positive, and I'm assuming you haven't overhired, or maybe you have?
I think there's too much volatility this year in so many ways. And so I think the 2 years that are the best to be private are 2022 in the last half a decade, and then now is the best time to build for that AI future.
Okay, building in private. You'll continue to do so. Ali, thank you so much for chatting with us. Kelly, I'm going to toss it back over to you. And